Ayan. So, sa likuran ko, it's just like a small bamboo plant, a dwarf bamboo plant. And it has white leaves. Look at that. Amazing. At may nakatagong salad dyan, oh. Mga 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it has so many salag inside na nakatago dito. 5, 6. I've seen 6 salag, 7, and 7 and 8 salag. Oh! Oh my god, there's a certain Maya in here. That's the Maya bird. I've seen 8 salag inside this dwarf bamboo plant that has white leaves. Yeah, at may